Your passion and love for teaching made me every time impressed. And I'm really happy to appreciate your endeavors. MashaAllah, this is the day I can proudly say that our teachers' endeavor is not gone in vain. Your teachers, you may not know how much appreciation you people are rendered by the people those who have seen that activities of yours. Your reputation, your every hard work, your every sort of nurturing the child is really appreciated, not only by the management of the school, but even by the parents, and even more than that, by many other people all around. Whenever and wherever we go, we just get some fragments that how the quality of the teaching